Welcome to the Tech YouTube channel. Our channel brings interesting moments in life such as transport machinery equipment, tree saws, accident moments, cameras, military. We hope everyone will support watching the video, and if you find it interesting, remember to like and subscribe to our channel, and now invite everyone to watch interesting videos.
To ensure the safety of my home, I made the decision to trim a nearly 90-foot cottonwood tree in my yard. However, the trunk was the most dangerous part. The video, recorded in Arthi, KS, captures the tense moments before the tree safely fell. On a large scale, the Moran bandsaw operates as a high-tech spectacle. Its razor-sharp, meter-long blade glides through massive Moranti logs like a mesmerizing dance, leaving behind smooth surfaces with millimeter precision. With a powerful output of over 200 horsepower, the machine runs seamlessly, transforming gigantic logs into uniform planks. It's fascinating to witness the perfect fusion of technology and human craftsmanship in action. The ZU 9003 SB works like a skilled wood surgeon. As the log enters the machine, it is firmly held in place by rollers while a massive rotor with hundreds of sharp blades spins at high speed, precisely stripping away the bark. Think of it as a giant apple peeler, but instead of peeling apples, it peels tree bark. The result is perfectly smooth logs, ready for further processing. The Petzl PTH 900G is a powerful wood chipper equipped with a 260 horsepower Massey Ferguson engine. As its massive chipping drum spins, even the toughest logs are effortlessly crushed into uniform wood chips within seconds. The combination of superior performance and modern technology is astonishing, leaving you impressed by its incredible speed and efficiency. This wood crusher seems to gnaw and crush all kinds of wood that is placed in it. Crushing the wood is as easy as chewing candy. The driver can easily stack up the scattered tree trunks. The long crane with its gripping blade can easily lift the scattered tree branches onto the truck bed. Cleaning up the pile of wood is extremely quick and convenient, saving cleaning time. Having the opportunity to work with the Varna 572 XP chainsaw he had always dreamed of. He donned his bright orange protective suit and headed into the forest. The powerful chainsaw roared as it sliced through the trees, each precise cut producing a crisp, satisfying crack. A contented smile spread across his face, because for him, this was more than just labor, it was his passion. You will definitely be amazed to see chainsaw cutting tree machines cutting wood incredibly fast, clearing forests quickly in all weather and terrain. This crane can run smoothly, but unfortunately it lifted a heavy block of wood and was lifted off the ground. Looking at the current car is really funny, right? Luckily it landed and continued the job of loading and unloading wood. We would like to introduce to you the Bandit Model 1590 XP, which is a truly effective wood processing solution. It can crush small and medium-sized tree trunks at extremely fast speeds, like an athlete racing to the finish line. Even large tree trunks are crushed by this device without any difficulty. This cutter with sharp teeth can pin down the whole tree trunk and break each section of the tree trunk easily. At the same time, this machine can easily pick up small branches to collect. It is so convenient to destroy the tree trunks around your house. You see how these tree pulling machines are? It's a great ride. The machine consists of many sharp blades that easily penetrate deep into the ground and lift the entire tree trunk and roots up to take them to another place. Then the sharp blades penetrate the ground and push the tree back into the ground. So the tree has been moved to a new location. Very cool, right? Remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel to watch the next videos.